The field of natural language processing, NLP, has witnessed tremendous advancements in recent years, thanks to OpenAI's groundbreaking language model, GPT-3. As users and experts eagerly await the next iteration, GPT-4, there is already speculation about an even more powerful successor, GPT-5. In this article, we delve into the details of GPT-5, exploring its expected features, training process, potential release date, and the ongoing debate surrounding its development. OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, confirmed in April 2023 that the company is not currently training GPT-5, debunking some earlier rumors. However, other sources predict that GPT-5 is currently undergoing training, with an anticipated release window set for early 2024. The release date for GPT-5 is still uncertain, but some sources suggest that it could be launched in late 2024. OpenAI has officially stated that an intermediate version, GPT 4.5, will be introduced in September or October 2023 as a stepping stone towards GPT-5. GPT-5, expected improvements. GPT-5 is expected to be a significant improvement over its predecessor, GPT-4. Let's delve into some of the expected enhancements. 1. Architecture. GPT-5 is rumored to have a more advanced architecture compared to GPT-4. It will likely incorporate graph neural networks and attention mechanisms, enabling it to process and generate language more efficiently and accurately. 2. Language modeling capabilities. GPT-5 is anticipated to generate more nuanced and complex language compared to GPT-4. It is expected to understand and generate sarcasm and irony, producing more coherent and logical responses. GPT-5 might be trained on a massive dataset, potentially surpassing GPT-4's training corpus of hundreds of billions of tokens. The increase in training data could enhance GPT-5's understanding of language and context. 4. Number of parameters. GPT-5 is projected to have over 200 billion parameters, significantly more than GPT-4. This increase in parameters would make GPT-5 even more powerful and effective in generating human-like text. 5. Comprehension and reasoning. GPT-5 is expected to exhibit improved comprehension and reasoning abilities. This enhancement would allow it to handle complex mathematical and scientific concepts with greater accuracy and precision. 6. Creativity. GPT-5 is likely to provide more creative replies to prompts compared to GPT-4. It would be capable of generating text that displays greater imagination and originality. 7. Linguistic finesse. GPT-4 already possesses an impressive ability to understand and generate different dialects, as well as respond to emotions expressed in the text. GPT-5 is expected to build upon this capability, further refining its linguistic finesse. 8. Mathematical skills. GPT-4 has made significant strides in understanding and processing complex mathematical and scientific concepts. GPT-5 is expected to further enhance these skills, potentially including the ability to solve intricate equations and perform advanced mathematical operations. 9. Longer context. GPT-4 has already improved upon its predecessor, GPT 3.5, by being able to work with longer context. It is expected that GPT-5 will continue this trend, enabling it to handle even longer and more complex contexts. The controversy surrounding GPT-5. The development of GPT-5 has sparked several debates and concerns within the AI and ethics communities. Here are some of the main points of contention. 1. Ethical and misuse concerns. As language models like GPT-5 become more advanced, there is an increased risk of potential misuse. There are concerns about the model being used for generating malicious content, spreading misinformation, or impersonating individuals. Ensuring responsible and ethical use of GPT-5 will be a critical challenge. 2. Bias and fairness. Previous iterations of GPT models, including GPT-3, have been criticized for exhibiting bias in their outputs. GPT-5 will need to address and mitigate these biases to ensure fair and inclusive language generation. 3. Data privacy. The training process of GPT-5 will likely require vast amounts of data, which raises concerns about data privacy. The collection and storage of sensitive information must be handled with caution to protect user privacy. 4. Power consumption and environmental impact. Advanced language models like GPT-5 require significant computational resources, which translates to high energy consumption. The environmental impact of training and running these models at scale needs to be taken into account and minimized. 5. Explainability and transparency. One ongoing challenge with language models is their lack of explainability. As models become more complex, understanding how they generate their outputs becomes increasingly difficult. Efforts should be made to enhance the interpretability and transparency of GPT-5's decision-making process.